What up, y'all? It's me, Lovely Kid 2010. I subscribed to Julie next video because I was making mayonnaise in SML video from Jeffy, drawing Jeffy. So today I'm gonna rant Disney puppy dog pals. If y'all hate Disney puppy dog pals, I was supposed to be agreed from this video. But if you like puppy dog pals, okay, I'll respect your opinion. Let's get started. Puppy dog pals. What? More like loopy dog pals. Oh my god. That is the worst show I ever seen. I think they rip off called like Bob the Builder, and also the Pup Structions is the worst. I agree with Saya and Ronald, which is why Julie is my friend, and yeah. They always put the anime music video of the theme song called Rotten Tomatoes. What in the world is this? And also, they put the season episode 1, 2, and now they have a color. That is the worst show. I really don't like this video. And also, in the scene, hold on, let's see. In the scene of new play care for puppies, puppy dog pals, they usually rip off the music videos. I can't believe it. Why did you do this? And also, they can't put the Spanish thing called puppy dog pals on the Espanol. And also, they put from the 1980s and 1995 to the season 1 Disney puppy dog pals. Why? Why? Because the show was the worst. Because I don't like it. But do you know who likes puppy dog pals? Viley, Jahari, Boris the Teeth Guy, Fake Boris, TJ Jackson, Christo, Lou, also known as Louis Prototype Perfection from the Ugly Dolls movie, Raven, Rebecca, Kenward, Eloise, and Alejandro. Those are the disrespecting opinion about that. But do you know who hates the puppy dog pals? I'll show you guys. I will show you. Let's see.
What I'm talking.
My friend, me, Julie, Lucy, Saya Nelson, Maddie, Emily, Joseph, Saya's sister, Nikki, Rapid, Andrew Orozco, and also, what was his name? Under Armour, Maddie's boyfriend, and also Papa Choi FTTL. Hold on, what was the name? Okay, Papa Choi Shimmerin Chai FTW Kyudora Arthur. No, right? Cause hold on, let me go back in. Because there are the worst shows. So screw puppy dog pals. Okay, let's see. Pup Structions. And screw Pup Structions. That is the worst thing I ever seen. What show? Oh, how about this? Liv and Maddie. Liv and Maddie is a better ripoff than Puppy Dog Pals. iCarly is the best in 2007. Okay, guys. I'm possibly gonna do this. But thank you. Bye.